Hi everyone, welcome to my journey to the stunning Chilipam Monastery in Arunachal. The journey to Chilipam Monastery began with a scenic drive through the winding roads of Arunachal. These roads are carved through towering hills and majestic mountains, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The breathtaking views along the way were just the beginning of an unforgettable experience. As I continued the journey, an enchanting waterfall caught my eye. I stepped out of the car to enjoy the serene sight and the soothing sound of water cascading down the rocks. The cool breeze, the lush greenery, and the play of sunlight filtering through the trees made the drive incredibly refreshing. Each curve of the road revealed a new landscape, sometimes valleys filled with clouds, and at other times sharp cliffs that left me in awe of nature's raw beauty. While on the way, I could not resist stopping by some beautiful cherry blossom trees. The delicate pink flowers were in full bloom, and I even plucked a few to take a closer look at nature's artistry. Standing beneath the canopy of these blossoms, I felt a profound connection to nature, appreciating the transient beauty that these flowers represent. These delicate pink flowers, locally known as wild Himalayan cherry, are native to the Himalayan regions and bloom twice a year, painting the landscape with their vibrant hues. After a beautiful drive, I finally reached the Chilipam Monastery. The monastery was grand and serene, with a peaceful ambience that welcomes you. The entrance is adorned with vibrant flowers, adding to the charm of this sacred place. I spent some time exploring the monastery, soaking in the tranquil environment and admiring the intricate architecture. One of the highlights of this monastery is the stunning views of the mountains. From here, the landscape stretches as far as the eye could see, offering a truly awe inspiring sight. Chilipam Monastery is not just a place of worship but also a destination that offers peace, beauty, and breathtaking views. So, if you are in Arunachal Pradesh, this is a must visit. Before ending my visit, I stopped by the monastery's cafe. It's a cozy little spot within the premises, perfect for relaxing and reflecting on the day's experience. So, thank you for joining me on this journey. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel blogs. Bye bye.